So guys, this session I'll discuss the hash set. So why is the use the hash set? So hash set is using because for the remove duplicate element. So remove duplicate element, we will use the hash set. Okay. So suppose this is Java and just I will write instead of Ruby Java and instead of C++ Java, and next I'll write after the Python on this format document JavaScript once the format document C++. Okay, so I stored all data with unique data and duplicate data. Okay, but my actually motive is the I will remove the duplicate data. That means this is the this Java, Java, Java. These three is the duplicate, but I will printed only one. Total three Java. Total three Java. I mean three same data, duplicate data is stored, but I will printed only one unique. Okay, so that is the Java, that is the Java, that is the Java. Total three duplicate element, three duplicate data is the storage, but I'll print it only one. I will print it if now just if I run, so you can notice. So duplicate data is duplicate data is printed, but now I'll do the hash set. I'll apply the hash set. Okay, so I'll apply the which hash set. So what will be using the hash set? If we use the hash set, so my duplicate data will be removed. Okay, so from here I will write the from here I'll write the apply hash set. Okay, so first I'll write set string once just I'll once again just wait. Yeah, I'll just here to remove duplicate. Okay, is equal to new hash set hash set. Okay, and just now here I'll import the hash set java dot util dot set. Next is the import java dot util dot hash set. Okay, so you can see here remove the error. Okay, so now I'll for inside the for loop string lang uh, string string the string the uh, print. So uh, print so print one from duplicate. Okay, from duplicate dot list. Okay, so that means inside the for loop, so that means inside the for loop will be list, and inside the for loop will be string. So previous code I'll discuss with you. All list and print one form duplicate. This object catch all data. So when I using the for loop, so list have occupied all data and print one from duplicate. This object occupied all storage data. Okay, so this is will be occupied all data, and print one from duplicate occupied all storage data. Okay, and here I'll remove duplicate dot add, just print one duplicate. Okay, so that is the print one duplicate. I think it is not the match with this. Okay, and here I'll just print it system dot out dot print ln, mm, remove print unique values from duplicate list. Okay, so now just I will be printed plus remove duplicate remove duplicate remove duplicate. Okay, so that means I just printed this code, and let's see the output. Okay, so this is the output is Java. So first it was the Java, Python, Java, JavaScript, Java, Python, JavaScript, C++. That means all data was the storage, because I was not applied the hash set, means remove the duplicate. So this code when I printed, so printed all data, all I mean do duplicate data is printed. But when I apply the set, okay, but when I apply the set, that time my all duplicate data is removed. When I apply the set or hash set, all duplicate data is removed, and print the print the actual data, removing all duplicate data. Okay, so for loop, so when I use the for loop, so this is the for loop. So already I discussed all of you why we use the for loop and how is the working the for loop. So in the, so this is the list. So inside the list, all data is stored. Okay, all data is stored and occupied, and this is the object. So all storage data will be cached and occupied and will be iterate. So this is the storage data, and this is the object, and all data will be cached and will be iterate. And this is the remove duplicate. That means this remove duplicate is the set object. Set is the interface, list is the interface. Okay, but list is the storage data, and set is the remove duplicate data. Okay, so remove duplicate I make, and I initialize inside the set, because I will remove the duplicate data. I will remove the duplicate data. So I using the, so I using the set. Okay, I using the set. Why? Because I remove the duplicate element. Okay, so remove duplicate. This is actually the object of set, and this is the for loop. So for loop will be iterate the all stored data and remove duplicate this object. Inside this object I will just initialize all my listed or stored data and automatically remove duplicate. Where will go the set interface, it will be identify which data is the which is the duplicate data, so that time will be remove the duplicate data. Okay, so when I initialize the remove duplicate object inside the set, and after the when I use the for loop, and inside the for loop when I stored all listed data, and inside the remove duplicate, so because remove duplicate is the object of set interface. Okay, remove duplicate is the object of set interface, and set interface will be the remove duplicate data. Set and has set interface, set interface will be remove the duplicate data. Okay, so inside the set interface I have created the remove duplicate object, and remove duplicate object when I will initialize the my listed object, so that time remove duplicate will say to set you identify what data is the same or duplicate, and please remove this data. Okay, so that means this remove duplicate is the object. So suppose the remove duplicate is the ram, and ram is the object, and ram is the working, I mean ram is the department of the remove duplicate data. Okay, so remove duplicate, it's the name. Okay, it's the name, and remove duplicate department is the set, and set is the working of remove duplicate data. Okay, and list is the another name, and list is the department of the stored data. Okay, so list will not the identify the duplicate data or unique data. This will be all data will be stored, duplicate data, unique data, all data will be stored, but remove duplicate will be the identify the duplicate data. Okay, so when I will say, so when Ram or Sham or Madhu will say to remove duplicate object, please you identify all duplicate data and remove. So inside the remove duplicate I will be list, because list will be stored all data, I mean duplicate data and unique data. So inside the remove duplicate I will initialize all data, and remove duplicate automatically will say to the set, because remove duplicate work is the remove the duplicate data. Okay, and then will be work in internally, so will be remove the duplicate data. Okay, so understand. So suppose if you suppose, yes, okay, one just I'll list string duplicate list get list new array list array array list. Okay, so here will be the one. Okay, duplicate list dot uh, add the apple. Okay, banana apple. Okay, and just now I'll inside the for loop string print uh, duplicate remove duplicate remove remove no sorry print unique unique fruit dot duplicate duplicate list. Okay, next just I'll write remove duplicate dot add print unique fruit. Okay, system dot out dot println, and now just I'll print. Okay, here set uh, duplicate fruit. Okay, remove duplicate fruit. Okay, remove duplicate fruit. I'll be printed. Okay, so just see. Okay, so can see here my apple banana apple, but printed only apple and banana because I apply the set. Okay, so that is the using of set, because for the remove duplicate element. So next session I will discuss the hash map, so stay with us. Thank you guys.